Welcome aboard. My name's Stephen.
Hi, Stephen.
You are on camera up the front here, guys, if you want to give a wave and say hi there.
Hi. Hi.
If you do need to grab a hold of anything, there are handles up at the top of the door,
Okay.
and this bar's okay. Don't touch the latch that says exit there. Obviously, don't touch the controls either. Is everybody ready to go?
Yes. Yeah, sure.
Okay, let's go.
Go.
Alright, just heading out over the water here. We're going to see some of the apostles on our left. We do come back past those on the way back. We'll head up to the right hand side first and get a bit of a closer look at these ones. So the 12 apostles are on our right hand side. Relatively short section of coast. They finish up with the big one here that has a green top on it. So after the 12 apostles, those first two features are called the twin sisters. And then the salt and pepper shaker is the tall one after them. That long thin one with a jagged edge on top is called a razorback. You can walk all the way out to the Razorback from Lockhart Gorge. A lot of features to see down there.
Oh, very beautiful.
This big island is Muttonbird Island, and it is actually where the Lockhart crashed.
Oh.
There were only 2 survivors that made it to shore into the gorge. That's why the gorge is named after the ship.
Oh, it's great. That's very beautiful.
Absolutely. Best way to see it. The next feature here is called the baker's oven. So the hole at the bottom of this one is where the name comes from. Looks a bit like a wood-fired oven. Most people say this looks more like a big slice of cheesecake.
Very nice.
Absolutely.
Very nice.
Up ahead there is the Sentinel Rock. This is actually the tallest rock in the national park, standing just over 70 metres high.
Oh.
Just turning left here. On our way around. Very nice view down the coast at the moment.
Yeah.
Over here is Horseshoe Cove. There's a beach at the back, which is actually home to a colony of penguins.
Tak nak cakap apa-apa ke Sam? Tanya ada apa-apa? Tak apa-apa tengah. Yalah, Kapten. Tengah dia punya introduction. Sam, okay. Sam. How high are you flying now, Doctor? How many meter? You are flying now, Captain?
Sorry?
How
High?
Yep.
We're at 750 feet.
750 feet?
Yep, so about 250 meters.
Oh, great.
The river over here is the Sherbrooke River. You can walk there from Lockhart Gorge. After that is a cave. It's called the Thunder Cave. It's quite impressive up close.
I see.
And then the blowhole after that. Now, Mussenbird Island looks a bit like a seahorse from up here. And down the right side of that, you can see into Lockhart Gorge.
Oh, yes.
The 12 Apostles start again from the big one here and reach ahead to the east.
Oh.
And there are only 8 rock stacks remaining as part of the Apostles along here. But one of them fell down in 2005. You can see what's left of it there. Used to be the second on this side of the lookout. Big pile of rocks just in the water is all that's left. And that's actually the only one that's fallen down. So originally we only had 9. And on the other side of the lookout, Gibson Steps gives you access to this beach down here. Quite an impressive view from down there. These people on the beach here, you get down via Gibson Steps, which zigzags just under the car park on this side here. Quite a good perspective. And as we cross the Great Ocean Road once again, we'll straighten up a little bit on that left-hand side. We'll get a good look at all the Apostles lined up in a row. Very good view of them.
The ship.
There we go. How was that?
Yeah.
Good flight?
Good one.
Thanks very much for coming, guys. Pleasure flying you. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your trip as well.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
If you'd like,
Thanks
you
a
can
lot.
give another wave to the camera there. Thanks for coming.